Exercise number 6.1. Rate of change of quantity. From that rate of change of quantity, first question. What is the given first question? Solution. What they are given, Kana? It is a circle, correct? So find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to R. Yes, that's why I told you. With respect to radius. So the area changing with respect to radius. It is not time. Yes, now listen. Given. First of all, we don't know the parameter. We should take, let R be the radius of what they are given. It is a circle, correct? It is a circle. Then what is radius of circle? Correct? Yes. What they are asking area, correct? We have area of circle. What is that? Yes, pi r square units. Okay. Yes. Now here, what they are asking, find the rate of change in the area, correct? With respect to r, differentiate with respect to r. Okay, that means D, I am going to take as A equal to pi r square, because area, we should represent any one of the value, capital alphabet, that is dA by dr. Any doubt, students? Equal to d by dr of pi r square. So pi is a constant, correct? Pi into 2r. Very good. 2r. That is equal to dA by dr equal to 2 pi r. Correct? This is rate of change in area with respect to r. Yes. First case, when r equal to 3 centimeter. Correct? Then what is dA by dt? dA by dr. Therefore, dA by dr equal to 2 pi r. What is that? 3 equal to 6 pi centimeter square per centimeter square. Because there is no other area. Generally, we can write. Second case, when r equal to what? 4 centimeter n. Yes, that is equal to. Therefore, dA by dr equal to 2 pi r. What is r equal to? 2 pi into 4. That is equal to what? 8 pi centimeters square. Any doubts? This is the answer. That's it. Any difficulties? No. What we need? Formula. We know that. We should know that derivative of that function. Correct? Question number. Yeah. Sorry? Veru? Here. In textbook. Centimeter square. Because radius. Correct. Yes. No problem. Centimeter square by centimeter. That is centimeter. No problem. Next. Thank you. Next one. Question number 2. What is that? Volume of cube. Correct? We don't know length of the cube. We should take solution first. Let x be the or a. In generally, a is treated as a constant sometimes. You get some confusion. That's why I'm taking here x as a variable. Correct? Let x be the length of side of cube. Correct? Isn't it? What they are given? Find the volume of cube is increasing. Volume increase. Correct? Apuna, that means, okay, now we have volume. What is the volume, Karna? Formula. Volume of cube what? A cube or x cube? Cubic units, correct? Cubic units. Okay. Now here, what is given? What is given, Kanna? The volume increasing, correct? What is that? 8 centimeter cube per second. Second mandaj, which means time. What is the meaning of that? Time. What is the meaning? That is dV by dt equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. Any doubt, Kanna? And then next one, how fast? So they are given the important question, 2 more question. How fast the surface area increasing? They are given what? Volume increasing. They are asking surface area. Now we have to find. Yes, first we have. Sorry, before that, to find what is that? ds by dt. That is surface area. Okay, wow. Where s equal to what? What is surface area? Where surface area kanna surface area of cube. What is the formula? 6x square, correct? Square units. Are you okay? Yes. Now here, now b equal to x cube. That is differentiate with respect to what is the given t. This is the given t. It is represent with respect to. Okay. So that is it with respect to t. What we are going to get here? Yes. This was, that is dv by dt equal to 3 into x square. Completed, huh? We are differentiating third variable, you know. That means dx by dt. Student, any doubts? Now this is what? Look at this. What is v equal to? Since they are given. What is they given? What is they given? dv by dt given. What? 8. Okay. That is equal to 8 equal to 3x square into dx by dt. You take it dx by dt. What is that? Dx by dt equal to 8 by 3 x square. This is rate of change in it, that side of the cube. Okay. Now, therefore, surface area. What is surface area? That is s equal to, what is that? 6x square, correct? Now differentiate with respect to what? Student, any doubts? Yes. Now this is ds by dt equal to 6 into 2x, correct? Yes or no? Into dx by dt, because third time with respect to. Yes, now here ds by dt equal to 12x into dx by dt. What is dx by dt? Just before we are founded, correct? Yes. Dx by dt equal to what? 8 by 8. Yeah. 8 by 3x square. Now replace here. What we are going to get? ds by dt equal to 12x into 8 by 3x square. Now what are the cancel here? X cancel 4 times. Correct? dx by dt. Thank you, Bob. Yes. dt. Correct? Yes. And then what is final value? What they are asking? Any when edge length, correct? What is that? When x equal to here, when x equal to 12, correct? When x equal to 12, then replace 12 x value. That is equal to 32 by x. When x equal to 12. Yes. When x equal to 12, the length of the edge of cube. That is, therefore, ds by dt equal to 32 by 8 12. Yes. Sorry. Thank you. 12. Cancel by 4. 8 by 3 centimeter. Yes. 10 centimeters square by second. That's it. Any doubts? Student, any doubts? Can I go next sum? Question number 3. What is third one, Kanal? The radius of circle is increasing. Correct? What they are given? Centimeter by second. What is the meaning of that? With respect to time. Yes. And then dr by dt they are given. What is this? This is what? dr by dt. Find there at which the area of the circle is increasing. When the r equal to 10 centimeter. Yes, now here solution. Let r be the radius of circle. Correct? What is that? Then area. What is area? What is area of circle, Kanna? Pi r square units. Now a equal to then equation number 1 அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும். Here what is there given? Rate of change in radius, correct? dr by what is that? 3 centimeter per second. Most of the students made mistake with respect to which one, sir. That's why given the idea. What here? Second means minute means time. Otherwise, they will find out. Don't worry. Okay, wow. Yes, now here, what is that? Now, sorry. To find what is that? Question dA by dt. Correct? When r equal to what? 10 centimeter. Correct or not? Yes. Now finally a equal to pi r square. Differentiate with respect to t. Correct? That is dA by dt. What is equal to? Pi into 2r into dr by dt. Correct? They are given dr by dt. What is dr by dt given? dr by dt equal to 3. Then here, what is the final answer? dA by dt equal to 2 pi r into 3. Correct? That is 3. That is equal to 6 pi r. When r equal to what? 10 centimeter. Then dA by rate of change in area with respect to time. That is 6 pi into 10. That is equal to 6 pi centimeter square by second per second. Clear? Any doubts? Next question number 5. Yes. Important sum it is also. 3 more. Most of the question they are asking, the people are very interested to ask the 3 more question, 2 more question from this exercise. Okay, wow. Yes, that is solution of the third one. The edge of the variable of cube. Okay, and then let x be the length of side of cube. Correct? Then where they are given volume, they are asking, correct? Then what is the volume? We have volume of cube. What is volume of cube, Kanna? Yes, that is here x cube, because we are using x. That is cubic unit, correct? Yes, now here to find what they are given, dv by dt. Why dt? With respect to x. When x equal to 10 centimeter, correct? Yes, now and also given, since given here, we will write given. What is given, Kanna? The edge is changing, dx by dt equal to 3 centimeter per second, correct? Now b equal to x cube dv by dt equal to, or differentiate with respect to t, correct? That is equal to 3 x square into dx by dt. Any doubt? Now this is what? 3x square into dx by dt what? 3 equal to 9x square. What is the conclusion? When the length of side of the cube, correct? 10 centimeter. Then what is that? The rate of change in volume dv by dt equal to 9 into 10 square centimeter cube per second. Correct? That is equal to what? 900 centimeter cube per second. Any doubts? Yes. Shall we go one more question? Yeah. What is that question number? 5. Sorry, 5. What is the fifth one? Yeah. Yes. Stone is dropped. Yes. Shall we go here? Yes. What is that, Kanna? A stone is dropped into the quiet lake and the waves move circles. Correct? Concentric circle. Ripples. Concentric circle. At the speed of 5 centimeter per second. Appana 5 centimeter increase aagum. Correct? When it is instant, the radius of the circular wave 8 centimeter. They are equal to 8 centimeter. That is the answer. How fast the enclosed area increasing? In generally, they are asking radius area is increasing. The concept taken into the concept, some story. Look like case study. Correct? Yes. Yes or no, student? Directly they are asking the rate of change of area when r equal to 8 centimeter. They are taken into the some story. That is called the quiet lake. We are put into the stone into the drop into the water. The circle is made. Correct? Ripple circle made. That is called concentric circle. Okay. So likewise here, what they are given? Please let R be the radius of, correct, circle. Yes or no? Then what is the area? Area of circle. What is that? Pi r square units. Yes or no? Yes. What is the question? And given. What is given, Kanna? What is given? The radius is changing, correct? dr by dt equal to what? Rate of change in the radius of the circular wave, correct? That is equal to 8 centimeter per second. To find, what is that? dA by dt. When? Thank you, Kanna, please. Thank you. When r equal to what? 8 centimeter. Here only 8 centimeter, correct? Yes. Now, we may call equation number 1. Now, A equal to what? Pi r square. Differentiate With respect to what, now? With respect to why t? Time. That is equal to dA by dt equal to pi to r. Correct? Into dr by dt. Correct? What is dr by dt given? Here dr by dt equal to what? Pi. Then finally dA by dt equal to 2 pi r into pi. Yes, that is equal to 10 pi r. Then what is when radius r equal to 8 centimeter? Then therefore the rate of change in area, correct? So 10 pi into 8, that is equal to 80 pi centimeter square per second. Any doubts? Yes.